Okay, Katie, a few things. These paragraphs do not really address what the expectations are. The first paragraph the first paragraph asked you to describe copper resistance in different aquatic ecosystems. Then you had to go through the five selective agents, and the second paragraph explained how they worked. And then in the last paragraph, you had to talk about resistance mechanisms to the five selective agents. And I forgot to mention this here, you need to have a statement of objectives down at the bottom. Here, I only give credit for materials that are sourced, so I can't give credit for either of these. So you need to put the reference in here at the end of the paragraph. These are all wrong. These are not formatted properly, and you lost a lot of points there as well. So what I would suggest is next time, go through the instructions and look to see how things are formatted. Look to see how references are formatted. Look to see what you're expected to put in the introduction, and you will do much better.